We're making food, y'all. Well, he making food. I don't know what the fuck. I'm not doing anything.
Cowabunga!
It smells like a dryer here.
Like a what?
A dryer?
It's a hot plate. We also have a dryer over there. I don't know if it's on now. That is rich if he was hungry. You said kind of.
Now I'm hungry.
Bro, food ain't even done yet. I got you. What do you guys feel? What's better? Huevos con chorizo or huevos con wings? That is not what's serious.
I usually like chop it up with my fingers.
I'm gonna learn you, bro. I'm gonna show you the way I know. A hood way. Not the good way. A hood way. Alright, what are you thinking, man? Should we make tacos out of these, or should we just put it on the plate?
Tacos.
And then, huh?
Tacos.
Tacos.
That's why this is on, right?
Huh?
That's why this is on, right?
Yes, sir. I'm already ahead of it, man.
What you doing?
I don't know. It looks frozen.
There's a fridge though.
Yeah, we just got this fridge.
What do you mean you ain't got it? Look, you got some Diet Pepsi right here. I had to check on the food.
Yeah. Appreciate you, chef. Chef used to be, Rich used to be a chef back in the day. I said this in one of the R&R's. Aside from that, he's being a good house guest, and he's making sure the house doesn't burn down. Another thing some people don't know. OGs that really cook, especially Mexican moms, they know. Put the chorizo in first. That serves as natural oil.
And you know, the thing's probably not 100% cooked anyway.
Yeah, I mean, I put some little oil in it. Like, you guys saw that I did, but that's just to make it a little crispy. And so I got this. All these pepper, salt, yellow salt, Lori's. Good shit. This is one YouTuber named Cash Nasty. You ever watched this? Shout out to you. He always says, "Bruh, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned." Fuck the part, we haven't even put the seasoning in there yet. Put the whole thing? Yeah, fuck it, let's do the whole thing. It's Saturday night, bro.
How many did you get?
8. Well, my mom said she might want some food.
Oh, okay. I guess it might as well. Shit.
You have one.
Spicy. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
What treat you today, bro? You like avocado or no?
Huh? Never had it with huevos con chorizo.
Yeah,
Now I kind of wish I had
tripod?
the other, what do you call it? Other mics.
Oh, the fucking...
The road mics.
Dang, that's fine. Straight out the hood, man. Lori's hood. That's how hood we are. Don't even make me, bro, break up the fucking home. Looks like where you want to put it, boy.
You have enough sugar?
You're gonna good as shit out there, dude. 1 a.m. That's how Bauwss Tweeins is. They don't have a schedule. said it's time to eat. Time to go to sleep. I said it's time to eat.
I remember being up like late, watching Jesus make egg burgers.
Oh, like a burger with an egg on it?
Yeah.
Okay. I think he made me one. Maybe two. Those are straight. When was this, when you guys were kids? Or?
Yeah.
Don't worry about that. Oh shit, I missed one. Damn, I didn't see that. Nah, you should have seen it one time, bro. It was like a late ass night that I had. I didn't sleep till like 5 in the morning. I go downstairs. I come downstairs to cook some shit just like this. My uncle, he's getting ready to go fishing. And he sees me doing that shit, and I drop almost damn near the whole damn thing, bro. And he just started laughing. And he fucking roasts me every time. He reminds me ever since he gets. Fucking, that was one time, bro.
Don't drop that shit.
You know I know what to do with it. So I got it wrapped up in this special CIA napkin.
Don't drop that shit. Yeah.
Yeah, hope I don't drop this shit.
Pray to God you don't drop that shit.
Yellow cake.
Fucking right.
I used to work at Olive Garden. You better recognize. Ah, shit. Alright, I gotta taste it first. I never watch it, but sometimes that should be fun. You want any more seasoning on it?
No, I'm good.
Alright, how many tacos you want, Mike? Oh shit, hold on, let me cut the fucking... Here's another secret flavor to get flavor. And just like the line, do that shit.
What tacos at? I don't think you do, man.
Oh no?
Oh shit. Out the great value bag.
Yeah, man. These are actually milagro ones. If you guys really about it, Enrique, if you're watching this, bless you, bud. Bless you. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. Tell me these don't look, these aren't milagro ones. Miles. Real ones don't, man.
Yeah, I'm too impatient.
Ain't even warm up yet.
I know.
Yeah, so here's when you know they're ready, bro. It starts bubbling a little bit. I'll tell you what, at least Twin knows how to flip a tortilla. You got something going on his face. My tía made it. Yeah, where's the spoon? Oh, shit, love it. You want to use a spoon or you want to use a spatula? Use a spatula. Careful, man, it's hot. Savage, bro. He put that bitch on his hand.
Don't drop that shit.
You know I...
I don't know if I had to put that here.
You put anything else on?
I never tried it with this.
That's alright. You like avocado especially.
It's fire.
What that thing tastes like, boss? Shit fire? That's that good? Oh, yeah, man. Talk to me. fucking Cash Nasty to quote him again. He says, talk to me nicely. Yeah, boy. Oh shit, let's try it with the lemon. Let's see the reaction. Better? Worse?
Oh yeah.
Better? Worse? Hell yeah.
I'm in the living room watching Bonanza.
Is that what this show is?
I don't know. Looks like it.
For sure.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it, boy. I didn't even break the salsa out yet, boy.
Can't really need it though.
Yeah, boy.
This is breakfast.
Mind you.
At 1 a.m. What? We out here cooking. At 1 a.m. Because we can. We don't gotta feed you no more. What?
You're like a cat outside the door, but you ain't get no food. What?
Casado y le pegan, me gritan por ahí. Es casado y le pegan, no lo dejan salir.
Don't drop that shit.
You know I